stocking from Soul Rebel Company. So let's take a peek at what we have. I forgot what I got. I think I just got some stocking stuffers for Christmas actually in this box. Oh, look, it's so cute. It's a little hand soap. Thank you so much. And we have, thank you. Some candy. Some stickers. And let's see what we have. Let's see what's in here. This is for one of my granddaughter's stockings. Ice Cream Dreams. Look how cute it is. Oh, it smells good too. All right. Next we have, oh yeah, this is for something I got for my husband's stocking. This one's for my son's stocking. Yes, guys like bath bombs too. Skull bath bomb. Smells fruity. But he's gonna love this one. He likes that scully stuff. Kind of creepy like me. This one's definitely for my son because I just thought he'd get a giggle out of it. Black raspberry vanilla. Why can't I smell that one? And then this one I got because it's cute and it's for me. But I've seriously considered putting it in my other granddaughter's stocking. It is, I love the 80s though. And my son does love the 80s. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I'll have to think on this one. Next we have, what's this? Oh, this is a soap. I didn't order this. Nice. I'm running kind of low on bar soaps, by the way. So, so I ordered this one. This one, it smells like Irish Spring, supposedly. So I couldn't wait to try this one. Can't smell it, but supposedly it smells like Irish Spring. Very pretty. Let me make sure. Yeah, I definitely did not order that other thing, that other soap. Look at this. What is this? They're soy wax melts. My sister didn't order that. Thank you, girl. Different scents. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So each one of those has a different scent, and I guess this one is blueberry muffin. Oh, I'm gonna make a video from each one of these because that's what I do. Oh, they smell good enough to eat, like for real. I am having a sweet tooth. Okay, yes, I will, girl. And then this I bought for my husband's stocking because literally is the only man I've ever known who actually gives himself pedicures. And so I just thought this would be a nice addition to a stocking. All right, so let's see what we have here. This came together as a package deal. So that one right there was it $12? Yeah, that was $12 for the set. The soap, this Irish Rain soap was $4.50. I think she was running really low on these. I have no clue about this because she was kind enough to send it as a free gift. The Effort Bath Bomb was, I can't even see, $5. The Skull Bath Bomb was $6.25. Shimmery it is. The I Love the 80s. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's almost like I just want to use it just because I'm being selfish, even though this is supposed to be a box of stocking stuffers. I just love it, like for real. She's gonna be like, well, order another one. So this one was $6. And then this last one was Ice Cream Dreams, was also $6. And so yeah, that's it. That's all for the Soul Rebel Company. Thank you so much for this. So I guess she's coming out with some waxes and she wants, and you know what, let me just say, thank you for asking for the feedback, because I hate buying wax melts, spending my money, and then the throw isn't there. I'm not one to just buy for the shapes anymore. I earn my money just like everyone else. And so when someone asks for feedback, that's super important as far as a indie company is concerned, because that means they're really trying to make a great product. I mean, I've had some companies who, as soon as I give them feedback, they get all up in their feelings. They block me. They take it as offense, even though I say everything politely and kindly. Look, I'm not really trying to make friends if your product's not that great. So I usually let them know via DM. So I don't put them on blast, although I will say that I sometimes, will say on my videos, the throw on this is maybe a 4 out of 10 or something like that, versus saying, I don't like this. So I'm being kind to them, and some people really don't accept your honest customer feedback when that's what you need in order to grow and to get better. So I really, really appreciate this, that you are asking me for my feedback on the scents and the throw, because I'm gonna give it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything in the box. It's beautiful. Sorry that a lot of it, the majority of it, probably all of it, will not be demoed because they were bought solely for the purposes of stocking stuffer stuff. Oh, I'm sorry. This, not though. This I want for me. All right, guys, that's it. And I'll let you guys know how this goes. I'll let her know first, privately, unless they're freaking awesome. And then I'll just let all you guys know immediately. From what I can smell in the box, they smell amazing. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.